Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to share location on WhatsApp from Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to share location on WhatsApp from Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application. And now in order to share your location guys, tap on the GPS and make sure your location is correct at first. Now from over here, in order to share it, tap on your location on the Google Map like this, and your location will be shown to you like this guys. Again tap on it and this kind of interface will appear of your location. Now in order to share it guys, again let's do this and let's tap on it again. Let's go back and let's tap on it, and when your location shows again like this, you can see the share location button over here at the left side of the screen. Tap on share location first. Now in order to share your location on WhatsApp from over here, either you can directly tap on the WhatsApp from this link or this interface. If the WhatsApp is not over here, you will be able to choose it. So either you can tap on the WhatsApp and tap on share and go to settings and enable any permission required, and after doing that, let's go back again and WhatsApp will open like this, where you will be able to send your location to anybody on WhatsApp whom you like this guys. The location of WhatsApp has been sent like this, and now let's send this, and it has been sent. And another way you can send your location is guys, let's go back, let's tap on the location, and you can see again tap on the share location over here. And when this interface appears guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see this list where we had shared it from WhatsApp. Swipe it to the right until you can find the copy button over here. You can see the copy to button. Tap on copy to button and you can see guys the link of the location of your Google Maps will be copied, and again tap on share and the link has been copied to clipboard. You can open your WhatsApp again. After opening your WhatsApp guys, open the chat box of the person to whom you want to send the message or your location, and after that paste it, and you can see guys the location has been pasted over here. Let's send it, and by this way guys you will be able to share your location on WhatsApp from Google Maps like this. And there guys, this is how to share your location on WhatsApp from Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.